Dead Sea, finally. Here I go. Sada tour, Dead Sea. Going to Masada. 45 minutes.
1 hour later.
What's the name of this place? Gedi? Gedi. In Gedi. In Gedi. No more, please. I'm so tired.
Just do it!
Parusa tong tour na to. Oh, this is the falls. Wow, this is what we came for, huh? Wow. Oh, good na. It's a cave. Just enjoy. I keep the video.
This is the Israeli canal. The Jordanian canal is right in front of us. So all the ones of you that complain about the heat, this is just the beginning. It isn't even summer. Okay? The average temperature in the Dead Sea in July, August is between 45 to 50 degrees in a good day. There are days even that it's worse. And in the winter time, you can see the melting goal. It goes from there all around and goes from here until also almost at the nature reserve. There used to be 3 stoves like this. This is the only one that's still left. Oh, there's a truck coming, so I need to do it faster. And before 20 years ago, 21 years ago, if you want to go to Jerusalem or to Eilat, this is the main road. It's open in the middle of the night, and lucky to us, no one was hurt or injured in the time that Melting Goals was open. Just imagine in the middle of the night, bus like us come, 21 people, and the bus driver doesn't see it, and they fall in 10 meters deep. It would be a big disaster. And because of the melting goal, they cut the water from this plant so the trees die. So before the main road collapsed, she was closed for half a year because water from rains and floods used to come and block the main road. So they, between the beach and to the main road, this area used to be flat.
Oh wow.
You could walk from here to the beach. You can see the hall.
Yeah.
This is the parking lot. Behind the lifeguard place, you just press the button and this is the shuttle that will come and take you to above.
Let's see, finally. Here I go. Let's see, here we come.
So actually the tour is going to be bilingual today. My tour, Spanish and English, okay? Which is a good opportunity for the English speakers to learn Spanish.
This is the home of Joseph where Mary are living.
Cloudy day today. Look at the colors the clouds do over the water. Some of it is green.
Nandito tayo sa Capernaum. Dito ang town of Jesus.
Oh, you? I'm good. I thought you were already in Dubai.
No, not yet.
Eh?
Not yet. I still have 4 days. Nice to see you. I saw
Nice
you.
to see you too.
Where's your trip now?
Wonderful. And we're going to.
Calvi. We are going to have our lunch, and these are the options of the salad. The main dish that I ordered is St. Peter's fish. Let's see. Ano kaya yung St. Peter's fish?
Meanwhile,
Called St. Peter's fish. This is so common in our country. Tilapia. Ano, magpapabaptize na ba ako? Ako magiging reborn. So these are my gifts, and it is, I prayed for this one for blessing.
Wakey, wakey. Good morning, everyone. Buenos días a todos. Made it back, guys. We did it. Yeah. We're back in Tel Aviv. Did you miss Tel Aviv?
tunay na art. Only artist knows. Ah, ngiwi-ngiwi yung mukha. Art yan. Parang hindi ako artist talaga. Ma-appreciate. Yung art ni Pablo Picasso pala to. Pablo Picasso. Ito yung nawawalang painting na nasa bahay ni Imelda Marcos. Nice or
Yeah, well, I think it's very much up to you. If you like it, it's nice, and if you don't like it,
That's
it's
a
not
lot
nice. I
later.
don't think
That's
you need to worry
1968. Then he
about
became. That's early. That's only second impressionist, isn't it? And that's what he became.
I think at the time this is done, this is very famous, like maybe because of the colors before, it's not too much developed now. It's, I don't know. If I remove the name Picasso,
What would you think?
uh-huh.
If you remove the name Picasso?
I know.
Tell me, do you think it's an amazing picture? Yes or no?
I,
Personally, I don't think so.
yes.
Oh, I do.
Because
Do you think that
I can write 10 poems, and some of them he draws them, and some pictures draw you to them. Then that's personal.
maybe he is a bit tired that day and he wants to do something like this and sold in millions.
Yeah, he wanted to get...
Oh, hindi napasubo ang English. Guys. Bibilhin mo yan kung maintindihan. Pero pili ko ito yung nawawalang painting na nasa kay Imelda Marcos. Kung pumunta si anong story nito? Sabi niya, malaki yung dede mo. Ayan, nagulat siya.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Art. Betlog. Art. Watch it. Yan guys, art yan, ha. Atos yan, pero art yan. Anong art ito? Electric fan. Interpretation nito, ano, manananggal, inspire. Oh, you're here. You just came? Yeah. Welcome. We did. Yeah, I was very interested. It's very nice. This is the Rothschild Boulevard at night. So, kita mo, puro inuman. Of course, my favorite McDonald's. It's cheap. Walang panahon para mag-inom, mag-party.
A few moments later.
Nandito ako sa Haifa. So, nag-train ako mula sa Laguna. Medyo malayo sa oras. Yeah. Two-story yung train. Ganda. Haifa. Shalom.
Welcome, Israel. Welcome, welcome.
Thank
Salam
you.
alaikum.
Walaikum salam. You are Muslim?
Filipina.
Filipino. Kabayan. This is my last day in Tel Aviv. Not only my last day, but it's last night. So this is how I'm going to end my trip here in Tel Aviv, in Israel.
of